Good morning. It's 8:25 and we're about to go from Santa Maria to San Francisco. So I just want to, get ready and get out of here. Let's go. It's not as bad to sleep next to the highway, like you won't hear a single thing about it, and the place is pretty quiet, like no screaming or stuff like in San Francisco. So just wanted to make sure to tell you that. And people will definitely smoking in the room because I smell like smoke, so I know I don't smoke. And it's a lucky day, there's Starbucks inside. And a Twinkie, of course, the most important nutritious meal of the day. Good morning. Stop for a minute right now, gotta fuel up and then continue the road. That's what's up, man. That's the Pacific Ocean right there. Chilling there right here. San Francisco there. That's what's up. Oakland.